take one.
My name is Georgina Nevis, and I have been with Ivanka now, I want to say 5 years? Yeah, 5 years. Before alopecia, my hair was really full. I had the fluffiest, thickest, best hair. I was about 22. I started to notice it thinning up the top. Every time I left the house or I was with friends or going out, like I had the 15 extensions clipped in, I had the root spray in, I was teased. My hairdresser at the time, she was like, no, your hair's not thinning, you just need your roots done. I'm like, this isn't normal. I finally went to the doctor and she was like, Georgina, has your hair always been this thin? And so she ran a bunch of routine tests, and then I got a referral for a dermatologist, and that kind of started the journey from there. Losing my hair affected my confidence massively. I guess when you're a woman, like our hair is a part of our whole aura. So not having that perfect hair really affected everything. It was because of the pill that started my female pattern hair loss and the form of alopecia that I've got. And I just remember my stomach sunk and I was just like, hell, what am I gonna do? Initially, I had met Ivanka in the bridal industry, and she was telling me about this new concept and this business idea, and it was extensions. And I think it took me a solid 3 years to come on board. I've had tape-in extensions before, and they absolutely ruined my hair. So that scarred me from having extensions for a while, which is why it took me a little bit longer to kind of trust the process. Ivanka understood everything when we had that first consultation. Like, she truly gets me, and she gets her clients, and especially with girls that have, you know, hair thinning, you want someone who has that empathy and that understanding, and she just got it. When I put those extensions in for the first time, I was a new woman. I honestly never felt better. You can see that confidence shine through and radiate, and it had been so long since I felt that really good feeling inside, and now that I've got the extensions, I feel that confidence pretty much every day still. I've never felt better, I've never felt more confident. I still have a bit of work to do, but I also think that going through the journey and seeing my hair now, I know that it's telling me a story and it's telling me things about my health, and you know, I've been able to recover a lot more of my hair than what it was. Having the extensions in has actually just made my life so much easier. If I could describe myself in one word now, what would it be? Confident, I think, yeah.